Hello guys, it's lunchtime. Now I'm here in the middle of the very noisy area, mechanical room. Look at that. See that one? Machine are running right now, so it's very noisy. But there's no choice because this is the place where I assigned right today. Today also is the second day of Ramadan, and company serve food, Indian types of cooking like this one. I don't know what they call it, but I know this is chicken, and I know this a little bit spicy. And here's also raw onion, cucumber, and fresh tomato. And they also serve this dal. This dal is made of from mungo seeds, and put they boiled it, and they put some lots of spices on it. Yeah, and yeah, it tastes good. And the other one is chicken soup. It's like a Filipino style. This little bit sour, like sinigang, and it's the usual brown Kobus. Uh, Brown Kobus is good for health because this is a fiber. So for this time, this is my lunch. Right now is 11:30. 11:30. So let's go, guys. Let's enjoy the food. And I ask you to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you can be updated all my upcoming videos. Okay guys, let's start it and let's enjoy the food.